this is the heat race. This will be the newest division at the Star Speedway in 2023, and this is their exhibition race, the Mighty Trucks. Make their return to Star Speedway. Longtime Star fans will remember the four-cylinder truck enduros. And this is a blast from the past here today. Heat racing action for the Mighty Trucks. Green flag in the air. Heat race. Kyle Brunner gets the jump in truck number 51. The battle is for the second spot now between Kyle Richardson and the 7. On the bottom side, Richardson going to take the second spot away. He'll bring the 8 to keep Petrin with him. Petrin, one of the fastest trucks on the Here comes Petrin now. Petrin steps to the outside of the Star Speedway. Battle is for the lead now. Plumber on the bottom side, back to second. Third is Richardson. Race fans and fans of area racing, that 7 truck, that is Paul Richardson's grandson in truck number 7. Super modified driver Paul Richardson. Up front, Keith Petrin leading the way. He's opened up the gap halfway home here in the heat race. The 7 of Richardson and the 21 of Alex Moore. Alex Moore has joined the party now in truck number 21. Gets the third spot away from Richardson. Now he's going to go after Glover in the 51. Up front, Keith Petrin gets the white flag. He's all alone, but the racing from second on back is pretty good. Truck number 21. Checkered flag in the air. Mighty Truck heat race winner is Petrin. Second. Third at the line. I think it was Moore in the 21, Richardson 4th, and 5th goes to the 97 of Brian Conover.